Hello everyone, welcome to Quantsapp. My name is Dharmendra. Today we are going to analyze the market, the Bank Nifty and Nifty also for next week. Okay, next week predictions. So we will learn how to analyze the market, how to analyze the stocks for tomorrow's prediction or maybe next week, and we will see what are the possibilities and how we can take the trade according to the possibilities. Okay, so let us go, and I will explain you about the various tools which I am going to utilize to analyze the trade, to analyze Bank Nifty and Nifty. Okay, so there are 2-3 tools, so I will utilize both. Okay, and see what are the possibilities, what are the outcomes, and according to that we are going to we are going to forecast it and we are going to take the trade. All right. So okay, so the tools which I am going to explain. Okay, just a minute. Now let's discuss what tools we are going to utilize and how I am going to see the tools and how which data I am going to use to analyze the Bank Nifty and Nifty. Okay, so here I am going to use future data as well as option data. Okay, future data and option data. Future data will give me broader perspective. Okay, broader view. Okay, option data will give me broad view as well as, okay, just a minute. It will give me broad view, plus I am going to analyze with technicals. Okay, I am going to use it with technicals so that I will get a shorter view also, and I will get from the technical perspective I can see which levels will be marked and from which levels I can take the trades. Okay, so first I am going to use the future data. Okay, so for future data we all know how to utilize future data. Okay, so I am going to use it with the built up. All right, so in future built up, here future built up. Okay, so in future built up, okay, when we see the OI is increasing, okay, when we see the OI is increasing along with the price. Okay, when the OI is increasing, you can find it in the future data. When the OI is increasing and price is also increasing simultaneously, okay, both are matching together, so this will consider as a long built up. Okay, this will considered as a long built up. So my view will be bullish. Okay, so according to it my condition will be bullish, so it will give me a broader perspective that this market will be in the bull run. Okay, and along with it, when OI decreases and price also decreases simultaneously, okay, this condition is known as long unwinding. That means a price is moving up like this, and here I am booking the profit. Price comes like this, then again bounces back and goes up like this. So this condition where some of the traders, okay, some of the traders who have bought larger quantities, so they wind up some positions. Okay, that means if I have bought 10 lots, okay, might be I will book some profit in 4 lot or maybe in 5 lots. Okay, so at that particular level the OI will decrease because I am closing my contract. Okay, I am closing my contract, so OI will decrease. Okay, and simultaneously the price will also decrease because the supply has increased. Okay, so the price will decrease over here, but it will not be considered as a downtrend because it is for a shorter duration. Okay, so in long unwinding we can go ahead with the intraday trade. If I am looking at it, okay, according to some technicals we can go ahead with the intraday trade, but for the broader perspective it is also considered as a part of long built up or uptrend. Okay, so this is long built up and this is long unwinding. So we know what is the bullish run. Okay, what is the bullish condition. Now let's go to the bearish condition. Okay, so here if OI is increasing but the price is decreasing, okay, the price is decreasing, it means people are selling the stock. Okay, because they are supplying, they are increasing the supply. Okay, they have a perception that this particular stock might go down. So what they do, they sell the future of that particular stock. Now selling involves borrowing, because here I am borrowing the future from particular exchange, from particular point. It will create a new OI. So here OI will increase and the price will decrease. So it is considered as a short built up. Okay. Now when short built up occurs, okay, price goes like this, and at certain point I will book my profit. So here price bounces back, then again go down like this. So here at this particular level I am booking some profit. That means I have made a short position. Okay. Now here I will book some profit. Okay. So out of 10 lots, let's just say I have closed 4 lots. So OI will decrease. Okay. Here OI will decrease, but price bounces back. So price will increase. Okay. So it will be a part of shorter, it will be a part of downtrend, and it will be known as short covering. So long built up, long winding is for bullish trend, short built up and short covering is for bearish trend. Okay. Now let's go to concept tool and see what are the conditions. Okay. Right now what is the scenario for the bank nifty and nifty also. Okay. So I'll go to Quantsapp application. Okay. I'll go to track and I will select built up script symbol under futures OI. Okay. Now the first one, the symbol one, will tell you long built up, long unwinding, short built up, short covering for intraday. So here you can see at the narration it is giving you long built up and short built up. Okay. So in whichever stock there is a long built up. Okay. So there is a possibility for intraday, for a shorter duration there will be a uptrend. Okay. Now under cycle, okay, you will get the 20-day cycle of a particular stock, of all the stocks in which from last 20 days what is the built up and which day the built up was short and built up was long. Okay. Now the tool I am going to use it is future OI historical. Okay. So in future OI historical it will give me the data of 20-day cycle. Okay. So here I can change the 20-day cycle. Okay. Let's just say I am here looking for bank nifty. Okay. So here I am going to do it for bank nifty. I have selected bank nifty. Okay. Now in 20-day cycle I can see the curve is on the upward side, but I can see the short built up candle is more aggressive. Okay. Here I have 4 conditions. Green one is for long built up, blue one is for long unwinding, red one is for short built up, and yellow one is short covering. Okay. So here I can see more of a short built up. Okay. And I can see the long built up candle is very less, but the curve is going up. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just increase the time frame. Okay. So here I am looking from July 31. So what I'll do, I'll just increase it to okay, for a longer duration. Okay. So I just want to see what is the condition right now. Okay. So here I can see the price has went upwards till here. Okay. Afterwards you can see the participants data. Okay. You can see the aggressiveness of the built up is reduced over here, and from here the price has went down. Again it is building up its momentum, but here more of a short built up is happening over here. More of the you can say writing is happening over here. So here, but the price is moving up. Okay. So it might you can say trap the writers or the buyers also. Okay. So we should wait for some time. Okay. We should wait for the aggressiveness of the long built up over here, because see the short built up is made over here, but the price is not coming down. Okay. As per the expectation, you can see the aggressiveness of the long built up. Okay. But price is not coming down. Okay. So we should wait for the momentum. You can see there are levels. Okay. Here there are levels has been made. If it's breaching that particular level, then only we can go for that particular trade. Okay. Let's go and take a look in the charts. Okay. So I have opened the chart. Okay. I have selected 15-minute time frame. Okay. And I will take a look at it, where is the resistance and support. You can see I have marked the support level over here, okay, which is 50,440, and you can see I have marked the multiple resistance. The stronger one is 53,200, okay, below that is 52,800 and 52,300. So these are the resistance level. If I am going to take a trade in Bank Nifty for a longer duration, okay, for a longer duration, then I should wait for these levels to be broken, okay. Till now I can see it can be range bound in between these levels, because you can see it is just moving between these levels, okay, it is not moving beyond that, okay, and also it is going slowly on the upward side, okay, slowly on the upper side. So here what I can imagine, what I can forecast, or what I can predict about the market, okay. See here, like there is an indecision whether it will go upper side or downside, because data is saying something more and technical is saying something different, okay. So what I'll do, if I am going to take any of the trade, whether it will be a bullish or it will be a bearish, I will go with the spread, because according to spread I will the risk will be minimized, the risk will be defined that this much loss only can be made and this much profit only can be made. I will go according to that particular strategy, okay. So this is the Bank Nifty, okay. As you can see, I have marked the levels, okay. I will take the trade only it moves beyond this with the data, okay. Now the technicals I have saw and future data I have seen, there is indecision has been there, okay. I will wait for the strong long built up. There is no strong long built up right now, so I will not go for the long call or maybe like bullish trade, okay. So now I'll go with the option data, okay. I was going with the option data. So open interest, I will check the open interest. So in open interest you can see more of a call writers are there. You can see the density of call writers, and also you can mark the density of put writers, okay, density of the put writers. So at every level here you can see, okay, let me check, okay. Now here you can see at every point of time, okay, call writers. Below you can see the call put writers are increasing, but on the above side you can see put writers and call writers are increasing. Right now it is quoting at 51,400 and call writers are 23 lakh, out of which 14 lakh, 13 lakh 95,000, 14 lakh has been added right now, okay. That means today or maybe in the recent time. So there are new additions. So that means this particular resistance is becoming strong, okay. Now here on the above side 12 lakh writers are there and 6 lakh 40,000, out of which 6 lakh 40,000 has been added, okay. According to the density I can see more of a writers over here and call writers over here and put writers are less. But as I have compared to the previous data, put writers are slightly increasing, slightly, okay. Call writers are also increasing, but put writers are increasing slightly as compared to the previous data. So here what I can imagine, if these strong levels, you can see the size of the bar and the put writers, size of the call writers bar are more, okay. That means there are heavy selling pressure on the call side, okay. There are heavy selling pressure on the call side. So if the market goes down, they will get immense profit, okay, and the put writers will be in losses, all right. So there are heavy writing on the call side, okay. So they're likely to keep the price down. But here on the broader perspective also, on the future data it was showing downside, but technically it is going upward. So it's like a trapping market, it's like a trapping market. So that is why I have explained you must mark the levels, and below that only if it is moved then I can take the trade. So 52,000 levels, okay, you can see it is strong. If it is moved beyond 52,000 then only I will be able to see the big move, 52,000 and 53,000 levels, okay. So we have seen the levels of the Bank Nifty. Now I will go with the Nifty, okay. I will go to track, I will select built up script symbol, future over historical. Now I will select Nifty, okay. Now Nifty, here I can see long built up, long unwinding, short covering, long built up, long unwinding, then short built up, short covering, long built up, short built up, long built up. So Nifty is giving you a clear indication that it is moving upwards. Let's see some other data also, like from a month. Okay, here also you can see, I can see the short built up is very less as compared to long built up. You can see right from the beginning, you can see the long built up candles are more. Along with them, long unwinding is also there. That means some of the places profit has been booked. Okay, so I can see the profit has been booked, but more of it is showing you long built up, and the Nifty is achieving high and high. Okay, you can see it has breached the level of 25,000 and it is going above. Right now it is quoting as 25,300. So it is increasing day by day. So Nifty is clearly indicating that Nifty is in bullish run. Okay, so if I am going to take the trade, I will go with the bullish trade. Okay, now let us check the technicals. Okay, what are the technicals, what it is exactly showing me. Okay, so here you can see, now you can see at the support level. Okay, it has spent some time and it is moving upwards. Now I will mark this particular level, and this level has also been breached. Okay, 25,000. This was the resistance. Okay, on the earlier side. Okay, it has spent a considerable amount of time between these two levels. Now it is moving ahead. Okay, but you can see sometimes Bank Nifty also factors Nifty. Okay, they follow each other. So if Bank Nifty goes down, we might see some correction in the Nifty. So it is better to go with the hedging. Okay, it is better to go with the spread. Even in the Bank Nifty you are going with the spread, so here in Nifty also you should go with the spread. Okay, without spread it is very much risky to go ahead with the trade. Okay, now here I have seen how the Nifty is performing. Technicals also siding with the Nifty. Okay, data also giving the positive impact on the Nifty, and technicals also. Okay, so all two of them. Okay, let's check the open interest. So I'll go with the open interest. Now in open interest I can see, here you can see clearly the put writers, the density of the put writers is more as compared to the call writers. Okay, and you can see the bar side also. So they are also supporting. Okay, that Nifty might go up. So Nifty is in bullish run. Okay, so if I want to take the trade, I can go ahead with the hedging. Okay, now to take the trade. Okay, here it is giving me clear indication that Nifty might go up. Now to take the trade, I will go to trading, strategy builder, option architect. Okay, now my view is bullish, so I will select the bullish. Expiry, I will go ahead with the monthly expiry, I don't go with the weekly. Okay, so here I can go ahead with any of the spread. Okay, so my personal favorite is call ratio back spread, so I will go ahead with that. Okay, so call ratio back spread, because the I can see the the reward to risk ratio is more. Okay, so from 25,300, let's just say it moves to 26,000. Okay, so how much profit it can give? All right, you can see. Okay, so it is like 6,000 profit it is giving me, and on the intraday basis it is giving me 8,000. Okay, now if I'll go with the profit chart, you can see my loss is limited to 6,463. Okay, limited to 6,463. But if I'll check with the profit, okay, the profit is beyond my imagination. You can see it can reach to 11,000 also, and it can reach to 6,000 also. Now if you want to improve this level, what I can do is I can change the lot size, and I can change the strike also. Okay, so let's just say if I am selling the call option of this one. Okay, here I am selling the call option of, okay, I am selling the call option of the ATM level. Let's just say I will go to slightly ITM. Okay, so will it increase my profitability? No, it is not increasing. Okay, but here you can see the loss has been reduced. Okay, loss had been reduced. So here loss has been reduced. So also if I'll decrease it 25 to 50. Okay, now I can see the loss is reduced considerably. Now I can go ahead with the trade. Okay, because I want 1:2 ratio. So according to that I can increase or decrease my lot size. Okay, so here you can see I have bought one call option of the of the OTM. So just make it slightly ATM level. Okay, now I can see the profit. Okay, according to that. Okay, so by changing the strike or by changing the lot size, you can increase your profitability, you can increase your reward to the risk. Okay, reward and risk ratio. Okay, so this is how I have analyzed Nifty and Bank Nifty for next week or for a whole month. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Okay, you can follow these rules which I have explained it to you in brief. Okay, if you have liked this video, please like and share. If you have any doubts regarding the tools, you can call on the number mentioned above. This is Dharmendra Rajbhar. Thank you very much.